It's Christmas! It's Christmas! Hi, Zelda! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! It's Christmas! 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 It's Christmas! Zelda, is it Christmas? Zelda says Merry Christmas. Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm your host Anthezar, but y'all can just call me Anthy. It's Christmas. Well, it's Christmas when this video goes up. So we are pretending that it is Christmas right now. So I have spent part of the morning, afternoon doing some cleaning because my kitchen was an utter disaster. An utter disaster, and right before Christmas. So that's not a good thing. So my counter is now clean. I got to do a second load of dishes so that I can be prepared. I got to wash down the stovetop because when I made bacon grease just went everywhere. I got to put a lid on it next time because, like, oh my gosh, grease everywhere. And then we got to make gingerbread houses because that'll be fun and Christmassy and just all around wonderful. And yeah, I got groceries this morning, so I'm all ready for a Christmas meal. I will not be doing the same things that I did for Thanksgiving because I was exhausted after I ate it all. So that is my plan for today, is to get some cleaning done because I guess cleaning has to happen more often than, once. Who decided that? Who decided that? I have a lot of protests that the house gets dirty after a certain time period. Like, who allowed that? I didn't agree to this. I did not agree to this. Merry Christmas! It is Christmas. This is the last vlog of December. I'm sad about that. I mean, I could keep going, but I would like to have a peaceful Christmas and not have to worry about filming. At this point, I would like to just, okay, I don't have to film. But if I want to film, I can. That doesn't mean I will stop vlogging. I want to keep going. I've enjoyed it so much. I've loved making videos again, but I'm going to go a little bit slower. Just a little bit slower. So we will see how it goes. But yes, I will be back for January and we will do all sorts of fun New Year's resolutions. Maybe I'll try to do yoga because, I bought a yoga mat a couple weeks ago. You have probably seen it in my family room. Maybe I should try it. Oh. All right, I better keep cleaning. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Music? Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family
The sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Oh. So I have my gingerbread kit out. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this gingerbread house. And you can see I have my two assistants with me. They really like the smell of the gingerbread, so they feel like they're being tortured. And I'm very sorry, but you can't have gingerbread. Well, no gingerbread for you. Yeah. No gingerbread for you. But maybe you can have some bacon tomorrow. They like that. They like it when I cook bacon. Just gonna get started. It says to knead this for about a minute. I wanted to talk about the month as a whole because it's been a long, short month. You know what I mean? Like, it went by so fast. I was doing a vlog every day when I wasn't filming anything for months. And then, like, wow, okay, you're just filming every day. Here we go, let's do this. And I'm really happy that I did that. I have learned a couple of things. I learned that I love filming. I love the process of editing and doing funny things, especially when I'm editing my babies right here. Their little noses are going strong. Like, I love doing funny things with them, funny sound effects. I love doing music and I like, oh, this is their theme song. I really enjoy that. The issue is when I'm doing a vlog every day, I can't do all of the editing that I want to because I'm too tired and exhausted. So I would like to at least lessen it to be like a vlog or two per week. So we will see how that goes. The past few days, the vlogs have just been more peaceful. And so that's been fun too. I like the peaceful vlogs as much as I like the funny vlogs. Is it gonna open? Do I open it or do I not open it? You can tell I've never done this. I haven't done this at all. Maybe in 20 years, maybe. Let's see if the instructions will enlighten us. Am I supposed to cut the tip? Icing preparation. So I am supposed to remove the cap. Oh, there we go. It doesn't look like these screw on. It says screw the tip on, but there's no screwing it on. You're delusional, box, if you think there's something to screw it on. That's fine. Does icing come out? Icing comes out really, really slowly. I'll be here for 10 days. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. There we go. Now that's some icing. It's like, what are you doing? I am interested in this. I am reading instructions because I don't know what I'm doing. I need to line the bottoms too and then press the pieces together. And I probably have to do it really quickly because if I don't, then the icing will dry and then that's not a good thing. I am being really extra sloppy too. That's okay. Meanwhile, Zelda wants to just cry and cry. No. No, Zelda. All right, we have hurried and put all the icing down. All right, let's see if I can assemble it. It came with a whole lot of gingerbread stuff that I don't know if I will end up making. Okay, we're sticking it there. And I'm gonna hold it down. Okay, this is great. This is fine. We're fine. Okay, we're good. We're fine. This is working. This is okay. We're sticking them together. Okay. Honestly, I did not think this would stick together, but there we go. And I bet I gotta put the roof piece on too. I love how theirs is so fancy, and I'm like, yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen. I am not ready for the cake box, but you know what? We can have fun in my own home. Ma'am, you cannot fall. Ta-da! There is my gingerbread house. Okay, I have a question for y'all. When you were kids, did you actually ever eat your gingerbread house after you made them? Because I never did. I was never interested in eating a gingerbread house. I wonder why building gingerbread houses is a tradition. Like, that's some kind of tradition that we as a society has created. Who decided that? I'm not arguing about it. I'm just curious.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget.
The big one's kind of a bit of a mess and it will probably fall apart at some point, I bet. That was kind of fun. Well, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I know it's a hard time of the year. It's weird, it's strange. You can't do the same things you normally could. If you're alone for Christmas, know that my heart goes out to you and I appreciate you for watching this video, and I hope it brought you some joy and happiness. I hope this whole month I made you smile sometimes, in the very least. Thank you so much if you've watched all of the videos. I mean, you are an MVP. Thank you so much. I hope you have a very wonderful Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the new year, because 2021 is going to be better. We're just saying it. We're not going to say any jokes, because the second we joke about it, then we bring doom upon our heads. 2021 will be better. It just will. Because Anthy said so. Don't quote me on that. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Anyway, thank you so very much for watching. I hope you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more shenanigans. I will be making videos again in the new year. All right, until the next video. Bye.